Hey everybody. So, one of the newest things that I added on to my website is this help page. And at first, when you think about a project, you're really only thinking about the project idea and how that's going to work in the classroom. But, after really thinking that this is not just for me, this is really to share out to other teachers and other educators, I realized how many times have I used a project idea or used a curriculum and had questions or things just didn't work. And I wish that there was a forum that I can share that information out and then maybe hear some feedback, either other educators who agree, yeah, that didn't work, maybe ideas that they came up with. So I was really excited. I figured out how to embed a form onto my website, and so teachers that are using the project would enter in what they need help with, describe their challenge, and submit it. And then my next step is that once I get those responses, I am going to kind of do an add on to the help page where it's going to be almost like a blog forum where I would post their questions or comments or concerns and give my feedback and hopefully learn a way to allow other users to comment as well. And this will kind of be this like running page of collection of ideas that other educators can look at and really make decisions that will best fit the needs of their students by seeing other people's reaction to the project. Now, of course, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to work, but you all are going to have the link to this page. So even if you could try it out and I can see if I'm getting any responses or how it's going to look like on my end, then I can probably reevaluate how this form can be used on the web page. But I'm really excited, and I'm actually more excited because I know how real this project can be. I'd love to hear your feedback if any of you ever used Power and their embedded resources and how that's worked for you too. All right, thanks, guys.